A recent announcement out of China recognized an Audi model with a top national honor, an accolade that's as much political and industrial as it is a pat on the back for product planners. The award recognizes design, industrial execution and local manufacturing success. And in a market as strategically important as China, that sort of recognition matters. It signals to buyers, regulators and competing brands that Audi is a trusted, locally relevant automaker. Why this is not just ceremonial. China's auto industry has matured to the point that governmental and trade awards influence consumer confidence. When a global premium brand like Audi receives the highest local commendation, it bolsters the carmaker's image among Chinese buyers and can translate to stronger showroom traffic and easier cooperation on joint ventures. The specific Audi model in question earned the nod for reasons that range from design language that resonates locally to manufacturing quality that meets stringent domestic standards. For Audi, such honors function both as marketing and as a strategic validation of investments made to localize production and tailor product rosters to Chinese tastes. This award also highlights how automotive prestige is increasingly regional. The trophies and headlines that matter in Beijing aren't always the same as those in Munich or Detroit. And in a market that now accounts for a massive share of global car sales, that shift matters. It's a reminder that global brands succeed by listening locally.